Today we explore how your skin truly reflects your internal health, going far beyond expensive cosmetic creams. Dr. Alex reveals 12 science-backed lifestyle habits designed to slow down biological aging and restore your natural, youthful, and radiant glow. We often obsess over external treatments, but the real secret to lasting beauty lies deep within our daily choices and habits. Your skin acts as a living mirror, constantly showing the world exactly what is happening inside your complex biological body system. Let us dive into the first crucial pillar of anti-aging, your daily nutrition and how it directly impacts your cellular health. Consuming adequate, high-quality protein is absolutely essential because it provides the fundamental building blocks necessary for robust collagen and elastin production. Without enough protein in your diet, your body simply cannot repair damaged skin tissues or maintain its firm, youthful structural integrity. Next, we must carefully manage our blood sugar levels to prevent a highly destructive biological process scientifically known as advanced glycation. When excess sugar molecules bind to protein fibers, they cause collagen to become stiff, brittle, and highly prone to premature wrinkling. Avoiding sugary foods and highly processed carbohydrates will protect your skin's natural elasticity and keep your complexion looking incredibly vibrant daily. Physical exercise, particularly regular resistance training, offers profound anti-aging benefits by significantly reducing systemic inflammation throughout your entire biological network system. Lifting weights not only builds strong muscles, but also improves blood circulation, delivering vital oxygen and essential nutrients to skin cells. This enhanced circulation efficiently flushes out cellular toxins, giving your face that highly sought-after, natural, healthy, and vibrant post-workout radiant glow. Moving on to lifestyle and regeneration. We must recognize that high-quality sleep is the ultimate golden window for cellular DNA repair. While you rest peacefully, your body works tirelessly to fix environmental damage and produce fresh, healthy skin cells for the morning. Chronic sleep deprivation disrupts this essential healing cycle, leading to dark circles, dull complexion, and accelerated signs of visible facial aging. Establishing a consistent, calming bedtime routine is arguably the most powerful and cost-effective anti-aging treatment you can possibly incorporate right now. We must also address destructive habits like smoking, which severely constricts delicate blood vessels and deprives your skin of vital oxygen. The toxic chemicals found in cigarettes aggressively break down existing collagen, causing deep wrinkles and a noticeably grayish, unhealthy skin tone. Quitting smoking immediately halts this rapid degradation, allowing your skin to slowly recover its natural vitality and healthy cellular repair mechanisms. Similarly, excessive alcohol consumption acts as a powerful diuretic, severely dehydrating your body and leaving your skin looking dry and exhausted. Alcohol also triggers widespread inflammation, exacerbating conditions like rosacea and making your face appear chronically puffy, red, and prematurely aged daily. Limiting your alcohol intake and drinking plenty of pure water will maintain optimal hydration levels for a plump, youthful facial appearance. Hydration from within is far more effective than any topical moisturizer when it comes to maintaining long-term skin elasticity and health. Now, let us explore the psychological factors of aging, particularly how chronic daily stress silently destroys your natural beauty and youth. When you experience constant psychological pressure, your body continuously pumps out cortisol, a primary stress hormone that aggressively attacks healthy collagen. Elevated cortisol levels also increase oil production, leading to frustrating adult acne breakouts and a compromised, weakened epidermal skin barrier function. Incorporating daily mindfulness practices, such as deep breathing or meditation, can effectively lower cortisol and protect your skin from structural damage. Finding joy in simple moments and laughing often actually relaxes facial muscles, preventing the formation of deep, permanent, stress-induced expression lines. Emotional well-being is deeply interconnected with physical appearance, proving once again that true beauty radiates outward from a calm, balanced mind. We now arrive at the most crucial external protection habit, which accounts for an astonishing 80% of visible facial aging. Daily application of broad-spectrum sunscreen is absolutely non-negotiable if you genuinely want to preserve your youthful complexion and prevent sun damage. Harmful ultraviolet rays silently penetrate the skin, breaking down vital collagen and elastin fibers while triggering hyperpigmentation and dangerous cellular mutations. You must wear sunscreen every single day, regardless of whether it is cloudy, raining, or you are staying indoors near windows. Reapplying sun protection throughout the day ensures continuous defense against environmental aggressors that constantly threaten your skin's delicate structural integrity daily. Sunscreen is the ultimate anti-aging product, vastly outperforming any expensive miracle serum or luxury cream available on the cosmetic market today. Let us transition to Dr. Alex's core philosophy regarding daily skincare routines and how less often truly means more for health. Many people make the critical mistake of using overly harsh, aggressive products that strip the skin of its natural protective oils. A damaged skin barrier leads to chronic sensitivity, excessive dryness, and a significantly higher risk of developing severe inflammatory skin conditions. Instead, you should prioritize a gentle, consistent care routine that respectfully supports your skin's natural microbiome and delicate acid mantle balance. Using a mild cleanser removes daily impurities without disrupting the essential lipid barrier that keeps harmful bacteria out and moisture in. Followed by a simple, effective moisturizer, this minimalist approach allows your skin to breathe, heal, and function optimally without unnecessary irritation. We must completely avoid the temptation of chasing quick fixes through highly invasive procedures that might cause long-term irreversible tissue damage. True skin transformation requires patience, consistency, and a deep understanding of your body's unique biological rhythms and natural regenerative healing processes. Let us review these 12 essential habits, starting with prioritizing high-quality protein intake to support continuous collagen production and structural repair. Second, carefully managing your daily sugar consumption will successfully prevent the stiffening of skin fibers caused by the destructive glycation process. Third, engaging in regular resistance training significantly lowers systemic inflammation while boosting nutrient-rich blood flow to your delicate facial skin cells. Fourth, committing to 7 or 8 hours of quality sleep provides your body with the necessary time for crucial DNA restoration. Fifth, completely avoiding cigarette smoke protects your fragile blood vessels and prevents the rapid breakdown of your existing healthy collagen network. Sixth, strictly limiting alcohol consumption prevents severe cellular dehydration and reduces chronic facial redness associated with widespread internal biological systemic inflammation. Seventh, actively managing daily psychological stress through mindful relaxation techniques prevents cortisol from aggressively destroying your skin's natural, youthful structural foundation. Eighth, drinking adequate amounts of pure water throughout the day maintains optimal internal hydration, keeping your skin visibly plump and resilient. Ninth, applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen every single morning acts as an impenetrable shield against the primary cause of premature facial aging. 10th, choosing gentle, non-stripping skincare products preserves your skin's delicate acid mantle and protects its highly sensitive natural biological microbiome ecosystem. 11th, maintaining strict consistency in your healthy daily habits yields far better long-term results than occasional, expensive, and aggressive cosmetic interventions. 12th, viewing your skin as a holistic reflection of your internal health shifts your focus towards sustainable, lifelong wellness and vitality. When you integrate these 12 science-backed habits into your daily life, You are essentially biohacking your body's natural aging process effectively. You will begin to notice not just a clearer complexion, but a profound increase in your overall physical energy and vitality. Your friends and family will surely wonder what expensive new treatment you have discovered to achieve such a radiant, youthful glow. You can confidently tell them that the secret is not found in a fancy jar, but in your daily lifestyle choices. Every single meal you eat is a powerful opportunity to nourish your skin cells and promote vibrant, long-lasting health from within. Every night of restful sleep is a free, highly effective cosmetic treatment that repairs, damages, and rejuvenates your entire biological system. Every moment of peaceful relaxation actively fights off the aging effects of stress, keeping your facial expressions soft, calm, and youthful. Now, taking control of your health empowers you to age gracefully, embracing each new year with confidence, beauty, and immense inner strength. Dr. Alex's holistic approach proves that science and nature work perfectly together to maintain our physical beauty and overall systemic wellness. We no longer need to fear the natural aging process when we have the right knowledge and tools to manage it. It is never too late to start implementing these positive changes and reversing the visible signs of past neglect and damage. Your body possesses an incredible innate ability to heal itself when provided with the proper nutrients, care, and respectful daily environment. Begin today by choosing just one or two of these healthy habits to incorporate into your current daily routine and lifestyle. Gradually add more positive practices over time and watch as your skin slowly transforms into a glowing testament of excellent health. Remember, true beauty is a lifelong journey of self-care, deep respect for your body, and mindful choices that promote lasting wellness. We hope this comprehensive guide has inspired you to rethink your approach to skincare and prioritize your internal health above all. By nurturing your body from the inside out, you guarantee a radiant, youthful complexion that will confidently last for many years. Thank you so much for joining us on this enlightening journey into the fascinating science of skin health and biological aging. This is Video Creator, signing off. Stay healthy, stay radiant, and we will see you in our next exciting educational video.